Assalamu alaikum to everybody. Welcome to Nills Furniture Design. Garma Frank Suduwada is the director of Nills Furniture Design. Hussein speaking. We've had an amazing sale today. We had a very big queue. Alhamdulillah, we had a very big queue. Maybe about 250 people here today. 250 to 300 people today that came in. If you need any furniture, the right address that you're going to be coming to is Nills Furniture Design, 2734 Street, Edmonton. So if you need any furniture, the right address for you to come to is 2734 Street for the best quality Turkish furniture. Alhamdulillah, we had about 250 people today. There was a massive queue for our Turkish teacups sets, just so that you know, guys. Faisal, salam alaikum to everybody. Garma Frank Suduwada. Welcome to Nills Furniture Design. I want more people to be seeing right now, so if you can share this video, share Greya, please. Share Greya, and let me show you some of the most beautiful items ever at Nills Furniture Design. Yes, the campaigns are ongoing. The campaigns are ongoing. Why are you laughing? Muk? Yes, salam alaikum. Why are you laughing? Please share this video. Hidayah, salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak to everybody from Nills Furniture Design. And let's see some of the items. There's been an amazing day, amazing campaigns here at Nills Furniture Design. So let's have more people coming on board right now. There's no koto here. Everything is quality. Everything is Turkish, alhamdulillah, from Turkey. Look at the beautiful sofa sets right behind me. Amazing sales. So if you need any furniture, call the telephone number. Please call the telephone number. If you need any furniture, the right address for yourself is Nills Furniture Design, 2734 Street. Okay, guys? Let's have a look at some faddis, some jif, armajo, kursi, whatever you need, guys. Let me show you one of the bedroom sets that we have here. Check out the bedroom set here that we have. It's called Helen Bedroom Set. Yes, amazing, amazing. Literally beautiful. No koto. Hudo, there's no koto here, definitely. Yes, please share Greya, guys. And look at the dining table. Look at how beautiful it is. Firi, you need to come and sit down on this one. Fariso, yes? Fariso, Walalo, Ader, Hoyo, Habrier. Check it out, guys. No koto, definitely no koto. Okay, guys. Inshallah, one day I'm going to be in a Somali movie. One day, the first Turkish person to be in a Somali movie. Inshallah, one day. Check out this. Check this out. A beautiful sofa set again with mechanisms. It turns into a bed as well. Xiriir. Amazing. Okay, guys, let me show you some other stuff as well. Again, as I said to you, there was a very big queue today because of the campaigns that we've had. Check out the Irem sofa set here as well, this corner sofa set. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Look how beautiful it is. Amazing. Please, guys, share Greya. Share this video right now. A little bit, Sauro, only a little bit. Alhamdulillah, only a little bit. And also check out the sofa set here as well. It's got the music mechanism as well here, so if you want to play music, you can do. Check it out. Firi, guys. Firi. Tell me what you think of all these. And check out the black TV unit and also the black jif. Xiriir, armajo, comodine. Amazing. Alhamdulillah. Please share Greya, guys. Share this video right now. Tell me where you are. If you're in the UK, please share this video right now. Share Greya. Press the share button right now so other people can see as well. I'm going to take you upstairs as well. Let me show you what's upstairs at the moment as well. Share Greya. Yes, share Greya. Alhamdulillah. Sisters have bought some teacups, coffee cups as well. Oh, the jif. Alhamdulillah. Is anybody helping you, sister? Okay, just Firi, right? Firi. Only Firi. Serkan Bey, bir yardımcı olabilir misiniz lütfen? Yatak oda seti lazımmış. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Özge başkasıyla mı ilgileniyordu? Tamam, beraber. Tamam, okay. I speak Turkish and Somali as well. Little bit of Somali. My Somali language is a little bit. Koto, little bit. And check this out, guys. have a look at it. We're busy, alhamdulillah. Busy as usual because we're known to have... Salam, Amina. Amina, salam alaikum, how are you? Long time no see, where are you? Amina Muse Welia, right? It's been a very long time. Check it out, look at the GIF here, Armajo. Wow. Marhaba, marhaba, Toot. Salam alaikum to yourself as well. Please share this video right now. Check out the dresser, the comodine, xiriir, and Armajo. Amina, please share this video. Share Greya. You haven't been to London yet. I'm waiting for you to come still. And check out the bunk bed here. The bunk bed set, alhamdulillah. Wow. And another bunk bed set here as well. Check this out. If you need anything, if you need any furniture, thank you, Amina. Thank you so much. And if you know anybody that's waiting for a baby, please share and tag them as well. Firi. Check it out, guys. Thank you, Amina. Inshallah, I'll be waiting for you. Check out the baby sets here as well. Ah, we've got a new set. Check out this. All right, dining table. The black dining table. Have a look at this as well. Guys, tell me what you think of this black dining table set. Look at the fabric of this. Have you seen any better furniture than the ones that Nills Furniture design? Have you? Zaka, salam alaikum to yourself. Alhamdulillah. Good to see you. Thank you for coming. Who is this? Ina, salam alaikum to yourself. Hello. And check this out. Swad, hello. Look at the Armajo, the GIF, comodine, xiriir. Amazing, amazing. Let me just wipe the camera, guys. Okay, is that better? A little bit better. So let's see what else there is here at Nills Furniture Design. Please share Greya, share this video right now. Another sofa set, Barcelona sofa set. And let me show you one more thing, TV unit. Beautiful TV unit, beautiful. Swat, have you shared it? Fartun, salam alaikum. Ina, sorry. Have you shared this video? Abukar, no Abukar Awale, Abukar Abdullahi. Salam alaikum to yourself as well. Check it out, guys. Check this out. Another sofa set here as well. If you know anybody that needs furniture, if you come because of this video, and if you bring a customer to us, we'll give you a carpet as well, no problem. But call the telephone number right now so that you can be entitled to the carpet. So if you know anybody that needs furniture, jif, faddi, jodiri, kursi, whatever you need, basically, refer them to us, please. Look at the jodiri here. Check out the jodiri, amazing jodiris here as well. Abuka, salam alaikum to you as well. Have you shared this? Share Greya, please. Salam alaikum, Hoyo. Setai. Have a look. Thank you very much. Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. Ramadan Mubarak to everybody from Nills Furniture Design. Look at the carpets here. So if you send a customer now, if you know anybody that needs furniture, I'm going to give you one of these carpets. Okay, guys? If you know anybody that needs furniture, I'm going to be giving you a carpet. Call the telephone number right now, please, guys, and tell us what you need. Another GIF as well. We have so many, unbelievable. Setai, eh? Fatush. Alhamdulillah, Wafiyanta, hi, I'm very good, alhamdulillah. Please share this video right now. Fatush, you as well, please. Check this out. We've got it in black color as well. So this set comes also in black and gold as well. Bear it in mind, please. Amazing. I love it. What do you think? Share this video now, guys. Come on, let's share. For the sake of Ramadan, let everybody see it and purchase some Turkish furniture. Yeah, I'm going to show you this one. Let me just go to the other side. Okay, guys. Busy as usual, as you can see, guys. Alhamdulillah, we are busy as usual. We have been busy today. Over 250 people came because of the sale today. There was a very big queue. And everybody was happy. Over 250 people came. There was a massive queue. Check it out. Look at the GIF here. Armajo, xiriir, and I love this portrait as well. Who loves it? My wife is not Somali, but maybe inshallah new wife maybe Somali, no problem. Why not? Check it out, guys. Guys, please share this video. Ahmed, salam alaikum. I don't speak Somali. I don't speak that much. I'm so sorry. My Somali language is very, very limited, guys. Very limited. Another armajo, firi, guys. And xiriir. Beautiful GIF. Literally beautiful. And have a look at the TV unit as well. And check out the kursis as well here. Amazing kursis, beautiful kursis. Alhamdulillah. Hibo, yes. You like it, yes? Sarah, Fatush, you guys still there? Good to see you guys. Have you shared it, guys? Have you shared it? This is Breeze.
Selam alaikum.
Breeze is my brother, Walalo. He's my Walalo. Yes, he's rice, you know. Breeze is rice. And check it out here. Look at the sofa set here as well. Have you seen that black one over there? Beautiful. And check this one out as well. Please, guys, share this video right now. Ramadan Mubarak from Nills Furniture Design. Check this out. Another sofa set with mechanisms. You can move this to the back and it becomes a xiriir. Look, now it's xiriir. You don't just fariso, you also sleep. Not just sit down, but also sleep on this as well. Check out the dining table. Have a look at the dining table. Tell me what you think. Brother, only a little bit Somali language. Only a little bit. At Nills Furniture Design, there's no koto. No koto at Nills Furniture Design. Everything is quality. Alhamdulillah, everything is quality and amazing. 100% Turkish furniture. No koto. From Turkey. Wow. Beautiful, literally beautiful. Okay guys, one last time I'm going to ask you to share this video right now. Press the share button right now, and I want to increase the number of views. I'm going to be live for another minute and I want to see how much more people is going to be live at the moment. If anybody does need any furniture now, there's a sale ongoing at the moment. Ryan, salam alaikum. Abdulrazak, salam alaikum to you as well. Amazing. And another GIF as well. I'm going to show you one more GIF. Tell me what you think about this one. Check it out. Look at the xiriir. Armajo. Beautiful. We're at Nills Furniture Design at the moment. And I'm going to be going outside as well. Yes, no koto here. No koto. Everything quality. Alhamdulillah. I'm going to be going outside. Salam alaikum, sister. Okay. Yes, only one day campaign today. There was over 200. Okay, sorry, sister. Yeah, check it out. We're at Nills Furniture Design. Okay, guys, we're in Edmonton at the moment. I'm going to be showing you the sign here. Yes, we're at Nills Furniture Design in Edmonton, guys. Bear it in mind. So the right address for furniture is 2734 Street. If you need any furniture, no koto, 100% Turkish furniture, 100% quality, amazing. And tell me where you guys are at the moment. Yes, 2 minutes, sister, 2 minutes. Wherever you are, tell me where you are. Are you in Mogadishu, Hargeisa, Kismayo, Bosaso, wherever you are? Still share this video right now, guys. Thank you so much, and Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. And inshallah, all your loved ones and family, make dua for them, and inshallah their health will be good, their characters will be good, in terms of deen they will be good as well. May Allah forgive everybody, every one of us, for any mistakes that we do. Thank you so much, and salam alaikum. Bye bye.